Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. Today I'm gonna show you another shelf in my Alice in Wonderland room. And which one is it gonna be? Which one is it gonna be? Well, today I want to share with you all my wonderful Mad Hatters. A shelf full of Mad Hatters. So let's get started. So today I'm gonna show you this shelf. My gosh, there's a lot going on. So I'm gonna start in this corner. Over here you have the Super 7 Mad Hatter that has 3 different heads. I put the rest of it all in this cup. And there's a head over there. And there's a head over here. And there's one in the cup. I showed you this not that long ago in a video where I unboxed the Alice and the Mad Hatter. They are not the best quality, but look at it. It looks really nice, right? The problem is this thing won't really stand. It does stand, but it falls over so quickly. So I have it in this corner and it looks really nice actually. I wanted him to hold the cup, but that keeps falling out of his hand, so it's gonna be over here. And then you have the cute little dormouse and the pocket watch. So this is a bit spread out because you have this over here, and I wanted this nearby, but it falls over. So now it leans against the cup, so it won't fall over. So this is a bit of a weird set. A head over here, tea over there, and the rest over here. And then you have the teacup. Oh my gosh, I wanted this for such a long time, but I just thought it was too expensive. And then at a certain point it was on sale. And then I thought, yeah, now it's mine, and I really, really love it. So I put the March hare in here because I have a March hare over here in the Mad Hatter set, which is awesome. It is a little wallet from Primark, and you've got the March hare looking really upset. And there's a keychain as well. So this thing is, when my son made this for me, this whole thing that I'm going to show you in a minute, he fussy cut some of these things, and one of them was a Mad Hatter. I mean a March hare and a Mad Hatter. And I just put it in here because, you know, it looks funny. So, and I have room for more Mad Hatters. So, I want more Mad Hatters. Okay, so then over here I have another Mad Hatter, but you can't really see this. It's, oh, like this. This is a pin. So he has a hat over here and he can put it on his hat. And when he takes it off, you see the pie. It's really fun. It's a Loungefly pin, and I really love those. And I love the packaging, so I just always keep them in the packaging. It's a bit hard to show you, but oh well. Okay, then you have this Jim Shore Hatter over here, and I absolutely think I love it. I think it's such a fun little thing. I mean, look at it. So, but I'm going to show you all of this. Look at this. This is the Mad Hatter's Tea Party, and it really is a Mad Hatter's Tea Party because they're all Mad Hatters over here. Only Mad Hatters. Anyway, for my birthday, my son made this for me. And so he first made this base. So there are tiles over here and there's grass over here. And it was just a little bit too big for my shelf. But that's why I put it in the corner of my room. So, and over here is, I can sit over here. So you don't walk past it and knock it off. Because there are some expensive little figurines over here. But this looks really nice. And he had someone 3D print all of these chairs. And he painted them himself, and they are just so gorgeous. I made a video of this, but I just wanted to share it again. It's so amazing. And then all of these teacups, and he painted them, and all of these teapots. It's just so gorgeous. And if you remember in my previous video, or the video before that, with the red queens, I had this really ugly red queen. Let me show her. Here she is. Oh my goodness, it's so ugly. Well, there's also a Mad Hatter. I think this one is a bit funnier than the Red Queen, but come on, it's so ugly. It's by Alessi, and that's very expensive stuff. I found this on eBay, and it was actually very cheap, luckily, because I'm not gonna pay a lot of money for that. But when I find something that is so ugly like this, and it's affordable, I really like it. I mean, I like weird and ugly stuff. I'm a bit weird. I mean, sometimes things are just so ugly that it's really nice. Okay, but I also like cute stuff like this. Look at this one. This is a cherished teddy, and I absolutely love it. It's so cute, so gorgeous. And I also showed you in my previous video the Red Queen cherished teddy. And I do have an Alice with a white rabbit, but there is way more, and I want the rest as well, because I just think it's so darn cute. And again, I like it when I find items that aren't Disney, because most of this is Disney. When you see this, if it wants to focus, yes. That's Disney, 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 and Disney, and Disney. Well, a lot of Disney. But this one is Cherished Teddies. And that one is Alessi. And I have another one? I have a Momiji one. Oh, it is a little bit dark, but you can see him, right? It's a cute Mad Hatter from the Momiji series. So I also had a Red Queen of that one. And here's the Mad Hatter. And I also have an Alice. And then I have Tsum Tsums over here. Stacked up teacups with a little Tsum Tsum Mad Hatter. It's so cute. And that head just sitting over there. It's just so weird. Okay, then I have ornaments. So this is an ornament. And it's a really cute pastel ornament. And I have this weird ornament. The Mad Hatter is so funny. Oh my goodness, guys. So 2 Mad Hatter ornaments. So when it's Christmas, these 2 are in my Christmas tree. But there's still lots of Mad Hatters left. So I also have the Brito Mad Hatter. That is really funny. And I love the fact that this one has a teapot and that one has a teapot and that one has a teapot. It's just so... I just think it's funny. And then here's another Jim Shore Mad Hatter. It is a really funny one. I like them all. I just love the Mad Hatters. Look at this. It's so funny. Okay, then way in the back is a bit creepy one. It is by Tim Burton, also the Disney version. And he looks a bit really creepy actually. And then I really do have some original Mad Hatters. I mean, this is a drawing by John Tenniel. There are a lot of Mad Hatters. The coaster on the back. It's a John Tenniel drawing. And over here is another John Tenniel drawing, if you can see it behind the Disney one. Oh, okay. You can't really see it because of the glare. Ta-da! It's another coaster. And these are the original drawings and I absolutely love them. But I also love the Disney versions and everything in between. So the question is, can I get these back? So, yes, I can. No, I can't. Yes, I can. Oh, like this. It's okay. Guys, and I almost forgot to show you this one. Look at it. It's an ATC and it can move. The head moves, the arms move, the legs move. It is so amazing. It's made by Kirsten. Look at it. She made these and showed them on her social media. And I said, oh, I really, really, really love this. And then she sent it to me. Isn't that sweet? I've got another one of Alice going through the looking glass. That's just amazing. So I thought it would be nice to have it with my Mad Hatters. I need to... the legs look a bit weird like this. Oh, it's broken. No, I like this. So yeah, I really, really love this shelf. It is a bit busy, as you can see, but it's all kinds of mismatched Mad Hatters, all kinds of Mad Hatters, and I just love it so much. Let me show you like this again. Look at it. It's just such a joy to look at. And the fact that my son made this for me, it took him so long to make all of this, and it's so sweet. And I love having this in my collection, and I especially love the fact that now I keep adding more Mad Hatters. And look at it, it's just so funny. But there are still a few chairs left, and there's some left over here, and I can put some Mad Hatters over here. So there's a lot to collect still. But yeah, this makes me just so happy. Just so there is, can I show you? I have this little drawer. It's a seating area you can sit on. I have this over here, so I sit down, and then I can just look at it. Look, it's just right beside me, and look at it, how amazing this is. So I often just sit down and just look at all these wonderful Mad Hatters, and the fact that Tim made this makes me so very happy. So yeah, just look at it, guys. Just look and enjoy. All these cups and teapots and all these cute Mad Hatters. Oh my gosh, I love doing this. I love sitting in on this bench and just looking around me and enjoy my collection. Because a collection is, I have loads of collections, as you know, but I only really enjoy it when it's displayed like this. I mean, it's wonderful. It's just wonderful to look at. Although, I mean, this is very empty. It needs some more. Okay, well, it'll fill up soon enough. I mean, I think now when you look at my room, I have so much room and I can display it very nice like this. Well, this one is very busy, but you know, I can really display it all very nice. But yeah, in a few years it'll be, I'll have twice as much, and I'll just have to make everything, I don't know how you say that in Dutch, is it inschikken? I'll just have to push everything a bit more closer together like this, you know, but it'll still be nice. Although this thing, I can put loads and loads more Mad Hatters on here. So yeah, I need to get some more. And I also love this little March hare bit. 2 March hares and 1 fussy cutted. What? Okay. And I also love this cute little March hare corner. Well, actually it's just 2 items, because that one, well, it's also an item, Tim made it, but I don't really have that much March hare merchandise. I'm looking around me now. No. So, but actually this is the Mad Hatter corner, and this has just happened to be a March hare in the hat of the Mad Hatter, because why not? Well, he's not very happy about it, is he? Look at that face. So can you imagine me just sitting here and just enjoying this? I just enjoy this so much. So next time I might just do this one. Well, I might just do that, and I might just film it right now, because why not? Anyway, this was the Mad Hatter shelf. I hope you liked it. I would love some comments down below. Which one is your favorite? I mean, I couldn't really... Well, yes, I think this one. This one is... I mean, I have been to Disneyland a few times, and when I was in Disneyland, there was someone who played the Mad Hatter, and he was so... It was the Mad Hatter. He did it so well, and he looked exactly like this one. Well, of course, he looked like the Mad Hatter. They made him look like the Mad Hatter, but every time I see this guy that played the Mad Hatter, and he was just amazing. He was so fantastic. I loved it so much. I feel like I met the real Mad Hatter, the Disney Mad Hatter. But no, it's back in his spot. Right, that's it for today, guys. Again, I would love to know which one your favorite is. I'll show them one more time. Is there one that you think, yeah, this is my absolute favorite, or are they all just a little bit too weird? Let me know in the comments down below. And here's the last one. So guys, I'm gonna leave these to their party. And all that's left to say is, groetjes uit Wonderland. Greetings from Wonderland.